July 14, 2024, araw ng linggo. Tuloy natin ang pag-aaral sa Biblia. There are about more than 90 books or scrolls were discovered in the Dead Sea. More than 50 scrolls was compiled. That was today is our Bible. Those books that were not included in the Bibles are called Book of Apocrypha. Isa sa mga Book of Apocrypha ang Book of Tobit. Book of Tobit, chapter 12, verse 19 to 20. Ang isang robot na ang pangalan ay si Raphael, robot ng Creator. Pagkatapos ng kanyang mission na binigay sa kanya na Elohim ay mababasa. Every day I appeared unto you, but neither did I eat nor drink. I am ascending to him who sent me. Write down these things that happened to you. Tobit, chapter 12, verse 19 to 20. Yan, maintindihan na. Hindi kumakain, matagal na siya doon, hindi rin umiinom ng tubig, kasi nga robot siya. Robot na pinadala ng Elohim para magturo ng military tactics sa mga Persian.